This is Mike Hompertz from Patriot Log Home Builders in Carrollton, Missouri on a Coventry log home. I'm standing up on the log house we did. It's 106 feet long. You can see the guys ended up finishing the metal roof. Real nice job. I'll show you. This is all beam porch roof system I'm walking on right now. You can see just how long this porch and roof system is. This is the log-sided shed dormer. You can see just how long this thing is. That's part of his garage there. His garage is 44 feet long. The house is about 62 feet long. Like I said, and then plus it's got a complete beam and porch wrap around roof system on it. All metal roofed already. Real nice. Actually, the weather, I mean, let's face it, this whole year has been pretty cold. So this has been one of the nicer days down here. Still February. It's been pretty nice here, at least today. Mike Hompertz, Patriot Log Home Builders, 608-547-4129. Carrollton, Missouri on a Coventry log home.